Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll see how we can create a scatter plot in bar. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to my sheet, and here we are going to use a new function called as random. So random is a function which will create unique numbers between 0 and 1. So to prove you that, I'm going to take subcategory for now, and I'm going to create a new calculated field as X, and I'm writing random here. Click on apply. Okay. Now if I take this on my label and let us convert it into dimension, you see it is generating numbers between 0 and 1. Okay, so these are the unique numbers. So we are going to use this random function to create a scatter plot with respect to each region. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking this X and dropping it here on my column shelf, and similarly I'm going to create another field using the same random function. So I'm duplicating that and I'm renaming this as Y here. And just to avoid matchup of values, I'm going to use into 10 here. Click on apply. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm just going this and dropping it on rows. So we got here. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to drop our product name to detail shelf so that we can pass more values to Tableau. So I'm dropping it on detail shelf. Now you see it is creating some trend here. So let us make it more readable. So to do that, I'm taking my sales and dropping it on tooltip. And similarly, I'm also dropping my profit on my tooltip. So let us edit a tooltip. I don't want my X and Y to be visible here. So I'm removing that from my tooltip. And I don't want product name also to be visible. I'm removing that as well. And I'm removing my region also. Okay, so click on OK. Now, so if I put my cursor here, this is staples. It is showing a profit of 87 and sales of 237, which is not a common data type compared to here. So you see our majority of our data points are lying here, but these are something out of the common data. Now what I'm going to do is let us assign some colors to make it look beautiful. I'm taking my region and dropping it on color shelf. And now I'm going to format. Let us do some formatting here. I'm making my sheet into dark black so that it is clearly visible. Let us remove some of the grid lines here. I'm removing it. Okay, so let us also remove the 0 lines here. Okay, now it is looking good. So let us assign some good colors here. I'm going to color, edit this, and click on assign palette, apply. Okay. Now you see if I put my cursor, stable envelope is 345, profit and sales of 744, whereas our common data points are lying in this range, the profit of 165, 161 and sales of 852. So this is our scatter plot with respect to each region. Okay, and that is something that we have seen new today. That's it from my side in this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.